Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create the chart background transparent in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to create the chart background transparent. At first, select data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option. Go to the all chart. Now we want to create the chart background transparent. At first select any chart. Now I am select the pie. Click OK. Then select the title and rename the title. Then select the chart and click right button. Go to the format chart area. Now I am select the fill option and choose solid fill and choose a color. Now I am increase the transparency of the fill. Now we can see we make the chart background transparent very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.